Hi everyone, my name is Justin, and welcome to my course, Programming R Matrices, Lists, and Arrays. I am a mechatronics engineer, and am currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is an intermediate level course for learning the fundamentals of working with R, matrices, lists, and arrays, so some prior knowledge of R might be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding and working with lists in R, understanding and working with matrices in R, and understanding and working with arrays in R. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to work with lists, matrices, and arrays within R. From here, continue your learning by diving into R and data science with courses on R programming fundamentals, data science with R, and working with data types in R. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to work with matrices, lists, and arrays with the Programming R, Matrices, Lists, and Arrays course at Pluralsight.